Hello everyone. I hope that your CAT 22 preparation is going really well. I'm also sure that you want to secure 99 plus percentile in CAT 22. The VARC section has been a make or break section for many of my students. So to give your VARC that push towards 99 percentile in CAT, I, Nikita, am bringing a CAT VARC Score Booster Series starting from 11th February 2022. In this series, I'll talk to you about some tricks that will help you in your RCs as well as your BA. I'll bring some previous year papers and some questions for the same. We'll also talk about how to eliminate quickly and how to reach the answer more quickly. And not only this, we'll also discuss some strategy tricks that will help you maximize your score in the VARC section. So yes, join me in this interactive series starting on our YouTube channel BYJU'S Exam Prep MBA from 11th February 2022 every Friday at 9 p.m. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates.